Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be making Halloween mummy hot dogs, Halloween edition. And we have all our ingredients over here. And this is our example of the mummy hot dog. You're going to want to get one of these crescent roll breads. We're using those. You're going to want to get any kind of hot dog, one of these. Put it right, get one, and put it over under the arm.
You have to cut the hot dogs first,
Yeah,
right?
Cut the hot dogs first, yeah.
Make a slice for the legs and 2 slices for the arms.
I just get this in, because I can't. Can't get this in. This thing isn't working. It's too sticky. So I got 2 of these done, and now I'm gonna do some more. I grab another crescent roll. Yeah. Gotta try and perfectly get these arms right under. Now we're spraying these because so they can be good and golden brown. Only the hot dogs. Now we put our hot dogs, our mummy hot dogs, in the oven. Now I'm gonna press on 1-5. It has to be on 1-5. And then you're gonna press start, and then you're gonna wait for 15 minutes. I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Bye. Now we're gonna put them on the plate. Very nice. Only do 3 from right now on the plate. And we are going to find ketchup and mustard. And we are going to get the mustard right here for the eyes. You can do ketchup or mustard for the eyes, but I'm going to do mustard for this one. My ketchup eyes for me and my brother. It's going to come out pretty big, so watch out. Yeah, I think it's gonna come out a little bit big, so I'm just telling you watch out. That's the end of this. There we go. Let's get all these on a plate. Let's go. Now we're trying it. Let's see how it is. Oh, that's good.